Let's understand how France abolishes monarchy and becomes a republic. Louis XVI had signed the constitution, but he entered into secret negotiations with the king of Persia. The rulers of other neighboring countries too were worried by the developments in France. They made plans to send troops to stop the revolutionary events taking place in France. Before this could happen, the National Assembly voted in April 1792 to declare war against Persia and Austria. Thousands of volunteers joined the army from different provinces. People saw this war as a war of people against kings and aristocracies all over Europe. The patriotic song Marseillaise, composed by the poet Rosette de Lisle, was sung for the first time by volunteers when they marched to Paris. The Marseillaise is now the national anthem of France. The revolutionary wars brought losses and economic difficulties to the people. The Constitution of 1791 gave political rights only to the richer section of society. Many political clubs were established by the people who wished to discuss government policies and planned their own forms of action. One of the most successful clubs was Jacobin Club. The members of Jacobin Club belonged mainly to the less prosperous sections of society, such as small shopkeepers, artisans, as well as servants and daily wage workers. They were very poor. The leader of this club was Maximilien Robespierre. Jacobins started wearing long striped trousers and came to be known as sans culottes, literally meaning those without knee breeches. The objective of wearing striped trousers was to keep them separate from aristocracy. They were the poor people, and this uniform used to keep them united and inspire them to struggle against the system with unity. In the summer of 1792, the Jacobins planned a revolt of a large number of people of Paris who were angered by the short supplies and high prices of food. On August 10, they stormed the palace of Tuileries, massacred the king's guard, and held the king himself as hostage for several hours. Later, elections were held, and the assembly voted to imprison the royal family. From now on, all men of 21 years and above, regardless of their wealth, got the right to vote. On 21st September 1792, it abolished the monarchy and declared France a republic. Louis XVI was sentenced to death by a court on the charge of treason. Louis XVI was executed publicly, and the Queen Marie Antoinette met with the same fate shortly after. Louis XVI was beheaded on 21st January 1793 at public place. After the end of Louis XVI in France, Maximilien Robespierre formed the government. He was the leader of Jacobin Club. His reign is considered as the Reign of Terror. Thus, the period from 1793 to 1794 is referred to as the Reign of Terror because Robespierre followed a policy of severe control and punishment. Reign of Terror means in Hindi आतंक का शासनकाल. Maximilien Robespierre's rule is considered as the reign of terror. The enemies of Jacobin government included nobles, clergy, the members of other political parties. Even the members of his own parties who did not agree with his method were considered as enemies of this government. Those who did not agree with his method were arrested, imprisoned, and then guillotined. The guillotine is a device consisting of two poles and a blade. This guillotine device was used to behead Louis XVI of France. It was named after Dr. Guillotin, who had invented it. This guillotine has a sharp blade and two poles. This device was used to behead a person when punished. Robespierre's government issued laws placing a maximum ceiling on wages and prices. It means Robespierre's government fixed the prices of everything. Meat and bread were rationed. It means the quantity of meat and bread were fixed by government itself. Peasants were forced to transport their grains to the cities and sell it at the prices fixed by the government. Even the farmers were not independent to sell their crops according to their own price. They had to sell it as per the price fixed by the Jacobin government. The use of more expensive white flour was forbidden. All citizens were required to eat equality bread, a bread or a loaf made of whole wheat. Maximilien Robespierre also changed the terms of respect which were in use in France at that time. Instead of traditional monsieur and madame, all French men and women were addressed as citoyen and citoyenne. The traditional monsieur was used in the form of sir and madame was used for madam. These two words were changed by Maximilien Robespierre. Churches were shut down and their buildings converted into barracks or offices. Robespierre pursued his policy so harshly that even his supporters began to demand moderation. Finally, he was also convicted by a court in July 1794. Then he was arrested and on the next day he was sent to guillotine. He also met with the same fate as Louis XVI. In this way, Maximilien Robespierre was punished, and after the reign of Maximilien Robespierre, the Directory rule was imposed on France. We will study about Directory rules of France in the next class.